Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's New Year Day. Today is January 1st, 2025. I want to wish you guys and happy New Year, happy and prosperous New Year. And for now going, may you be blessed with the blessings of the Lord, and whatsoever you do, may God grant you your heart desire. So when I was living in Liberia here, I had my garage, you know, where I used to bring my car to work. Since that day, I've had a bond with the guys here. So each time I come down, yeah, I can come and visit them. So I just wanted to do a short video with them, so you guys can see them. You know, they were really expecting this as usual. I just want to ask them for the name, their function, because they have different functions here. They have mechanics here, they have electricians, they have bodywork guys here. So who am I going to interview first? You interview first. Okay. So he happens to be one of the bosses here. Okay, so happy New Year. Okay, what's the name? Alfonso Dumu? Okay. What's the function here?
Chief electrician.
Oh, chief electrician. Okay. That means you do any electrical work on cars, right?
Yeah, auto.
Hey guys, I started knowing him a long time. One of his boys is my boy, actually. So yeah, I know him very good. But the only reason why I brought him on here for him to call his name because of you guys. So for the audience, that's all. So how long you been in the garage?
Since 97.
Woo! You've been here a very long time. Yeah. That's good. So how many boys do you have, or like apprentices do you have under you there? 5. Okay. So how do you know that this person has completed work and then they need to graduate? How do you know?
Yeah, all depends on the person's performance.
Oh,
The
okay.
test them.
Okay. So if I have a child, I want to bring a child to you for tutelage, like for them to learn. Do I have to give money or something?
Yes.
Okay. Like how much?
1,500 liberty.
All right.
And 1 rooster.
Okay. 1,500 is less than $10, guys. It's less than $10. Just imagine, to build somebody's career. And then 1 rooster. Rooster is just all around here. So you know that's for the tradition. Okay, I appreciate it. So let me just try to ask some other guys. I don't know whether they are busy. If they grant me this interview, no problem. So can you share your number just in case somebody want to come here? They come to Liberia, they have issues, so they can contact you for your portion of the job. Like they have electrical issue. With the car. You want to share your number?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the number?
0770 689 578.
Okay, you want to repeat it again?
0770 689 578.
All right, thank you so much for granting me this interview.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to the other guy here, but this guy, I think he doesn't want to be on video. He's got papi, got small head. Let me see. The key body web method working, so I don't know. He working. Anyway, guys, so I'll just show you guys what they're doing here. Maybe they don't have time to how to call it. You see them behind me here? See them behind me here? They all are working here, man. They're all working. They're very busy. Today's New Year Day, but they're still working, though. Still working, yeah. We appreciate these guys. We need to encourage them to do whatever they want to do, you know. So I don't think they can grab me interview right now because they're busy. Yeah. Before they go and post on a put to another area and then causes issue. Let me see the chief bodywear guy. He too is busy, man. Boss man, you want to be on video? You want to be on video? That YouTube. Ah, Messi don't open. Okay, firstly, when open, we'll talk. All right. Okay, guys. So that's it. So I was only able to get one person to interview. So you guys have a new year. Be with your family. Enjoy yourself. Bye.